Hey traders, we just got done with the morning show and Dimitri was looking at the new valuation thoughts brought to you by the Chameleon. Let's take a look.
Through that process. So Amazon, $3,322. Let's take a look at that. Here, average PE. Now, Amazon just tends to really trade at a high PE of 133. It reverts to that 4,566. I believe though we're skipping that in our average, just because those P's, again, once they get really high or weird, they're not as reliable, so we skip those. Price to sales ratio, right, through your average 4, so if it reverts to that 2,760 right now, price to sales ratio 4.5.
So we go over Nike, Tesla,
This is PE versus
and some very interesting others. So watch the morning show. I'll attach a link. Have a safe trading day, everybody.